int means integer, and in integer we can define the on which number of pin we are connecting LEDs. Then first we write red LED pin equal to pin number 8 of Arduino. Means that the red LED, the positive pin of red LED is connected to the pin number 8 of Arduino. And then we again write int blue LED pin equal to pin number 6 of Arduino. Means that the blue LED, the positive pin of blue LED is connected to pin number 6 of Arduino. And remember that we are connecting the negative pin of our LEDs to ground pin of Arduino. And then we write and then again we declare that these LEDs are as a input device or as a output device. So here we are using these LEDs as a output device. So we write PinMode. PinMode means what is the mode of pins, means that whether it is a positive or whether it is a output or whether it is a input. So bracket, and first we declare that pin number 8 is as a output pin, means that red LED output. And then we will declare that pin number 6 means blue LED is also a output. PinMode pin number 6 out output. Sorry, there is some mistake. And now the main code comes. Here we are writing that what we have to do with LEDs, means that and we are going to make the Pythagoras theorem checker. So we write that the formula of Pythagoras theorem. We know that the formula of Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So we write that if we can write any number for first. So first we write 0 into 0, means that we can change these numbers also. Then equal to, then again 0 into 0, and then plus 0 into 0. We can also then change these numbers, then bracket closed, and then curly bracket, then we make, and then curly bracket, and then we write the main code. Means that if the hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of base square plus perpendicular square, then the blue LED will glow. And if the hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus hypotenuse square are not equal, means that the sum of hypotenuse square, the sum of base square plus perpendicular square is not equal to the hypotenuse of the hypotenuse square, then the red LED will glow. So we write digital, we are connecting the pins to digital pin of the Arduino. So we write digital write. So then bracket closed. Then we close the bracket. There is something mistake. Digital, and then we will declare, and then we write the pin number is 6 high. We write in this programming, we write high. So please, in this program we write digital write because we write high because high means on and low means off. Means that if the square of base plus if the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of perpendicular and base, then the blue LED will glow, and then else, and if they are not equal, then red LED will glow. So then we write digital write WRITE, and then and pin number 8 low. Means that if they are equal, then the pin then red LED will off and blue LED will glow. And then after that we write else. Means that if they are not equal, then that function will work. Means that if they are not equal, then the red LED will glow and blue LED will off. Then we write, then we write the curly bracket, and then we write the digital then we write the digital write, bracket closed, and pin number 8 high. And then again digital digital write, and then we make bracket and pin number 6. In this we need 2 LEDs, blue and red, and one breadboard and one Arduino Uno and 4 jumper wires and one data cable. So let's get started to make this project. So first we took breadboard and we connect LEDs. on this breadboard. And then we connect blue LED on breadboard. That is a negative terminal of LED, and this is a positive terminal of LED, and it is a negative terminal of LED, and this is a positive terminal of LED. And then we took Arduino Uno, and then we connect the jumper wires to these LEDs. And connect the negative terminal of LEDs to the ground pin of Arduino. And then connect the positive terminal of blue LED to pin number 6 of Arduino, and then we connect the positive terminal of red LED to pin number 8 of Arduino. So now the connections are ready, so we go on PC to upload the code. Connect the data cable to Arduino Uno, and then connect this data cable to PC, and then we go on PC and then upload the code. Now the code is uploading. So I have already took some numbers here. The first number, as a hypotenuse I used 10, and as a base I took 12, and as a perpendicular I took 40. The program has been uploaded. So here the red LED is glowing, means that these numbers are not following the rule of Pythagoras theorem. So now we change the numbers. I have already took some numbers, 10 as a hypotenuse, 8 as a base, and 6 as a perpendicular. So now time to upload the code. As you can see, these three numbers are following the rules of Pythagoras theorem, so the blue LED is glowing.